Hey everybody, hope you can hear me. Saturday morning in the office here, getting a little bit of work done, and I came across an article announcement really today, and I want to share it with you guys because it could hugely affect your business. If you are using the Google URL shortener, which is goo.gl, which most of us do, and I know I do, it's going to be ending. So what does that mean to you? Well, first off, on April 13th, okay, of this year, okay, that's just a couple weeks away, you will no longer be able to create any type of Google URLs if you're an anonymous user, okay? So you won't even be able to do it anymore. And then the scary thing is on March 30th of 2019, the console is going to be gone altogether. So, you know, Google shorteners, gosh, millions and millions of people use. They probably got them on their site. They probably have them on their sales pages. They've got them in their emails. I'm thinking of all the things I have it in because we got to change all of this. There's probably hundreds and hundreds of links that we have to change. So what do? You know, if there's no more Google URL shortener, there are alternatives. You can use Owly, which will work. Owly is ow.ly. Now, Owly is actually part of Hootsuite. You do have to have a Hootsuite account to be able to use Owly. And the other alternative is Bitly. That's bitly.com. Now, you can use Bitly same way you would use Google shortener, but you got to do it because if you don't do this, okay, if you don't do this, you're going to have a problem because your links may not be working, okay? So I would suggest you get on that right away. I wanted to share that with everybody. Below this video, after I make this, because this is a live video, I want to put the links in there to both of those platforms so you can use those to shorten your URLs. Any of us who run ads on Facebook, or we put it in our emails sometimes, you know, we'll use these shortened URLs. And now the tough part is that you're going to have to go in there and you're going to have to find every single spot that you have put a Google shortened URL. That's a nightmare. I mean, that seriously, it's a nightmare because it could be in photos, it could be on your website, it could be anywhere. So anyhow, just want to let you know to check those things out. And you're going to have to make those changes. So you've got till April 13th if you want to make some links. I don't know why you would at this point because it's going to be going away. They're going to be using something called FDL. Okay, and those are called Fire-Based Dynamic Links. That's what actually Google is going towards. It's a different deal altogether, and it's really more for developers than anything else. So I would suggest that you use Bitly or Owly, one of those two, and I'll put those links down in there. So keep that in mind. If you do have links, you know, you're going to be able to use your dashboard up until March 30th of 2019. After that, the dashboard is going to be gone altogether. So keep that in mind. Check your emails, check your website, check your photos, anything that may have a link in it, because you're going to need to make these changes. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.